let's talk about the Wren Blouse.
Let it go, what's the use in holding on? Can we find a way where we could spend some time alone? You know where to find me, you know which way to go, as long as you love me.
Hello makers, I'm Catherine Harris from Stitchery, and today we're going to talk about the Wren Blouse and Dress from Chalk and Notch. So I decided to make view A in the blouse version here, and it has short puffed sleeves, and view B has longer sleeves and a dress option for you. Now, if you're looking for a sew along for this, I have one of those for you, and I will link that down below so that you can get all the details on how to stitch this together. Now, in terms of this pattern, I actually really enjoyed some of the style lines on this. There was a creative pattern piecing in putting together these sleeve pieces. In fact, we have a seam going along here, and it actually creates a really nice ballooned sleeve to give that nice puffiness. One of the other things that I thought was just ingenious about this sleeve was the fact that it utilized some narrow French seams in order to create a bit of structure right along that point, which helps your sleeves to stay puffy and not really deflate, especially if you're using a lighter weight fabric. Now, I decided to use some superfine Egyptian cotton that I got from Minerva. I will link that down below. If you've never stitched with it before, I highly suggest you check it out. It is so soft and it presses phenomenally, and it has a very nice, light and fluid drape to it. Now, in terms of difficulty for this pattern, it is definitely that advanced beginner entry level. For that, you've got button plackets as well as elastic casings that you will learn, and it really does come together in a snap. I put this together in an afternoon, and I'm confident that you can do that as well. Now, in terms of the sizing for this, it comes in sizes 0 through 30, so you have a decent amount of flexibility in there. And one of the things that I really appreciated was that it does have two different cup sizes. So you have an AB cup and a CD cup. The CD cup is going to have the addition of some French darts going in vertically to help create some shaping so that you don't have to do a full bust adjustment, which is fabulous and saves you a ton of time. Now, if you enjoyed this tutorial, do give it a big thumbs up. That really helps me out. And let me know what other patterns you would like me to review. Until next time, makers, let's get our Sew-Spiration on.